This is a tricky approach.
2037 over.
It is.
Via the slammer for arrival.
Just because there's high terrain and we have to descend quickly. Wow, Akiko! That may be the best landing I've seen you make. That was beautiful.
We're going to Minden, Nevada today. It's gonna be a little over an hour, maybe hour 15 minutes, 20 minutes flight. It's a short flight. And this is Nevada, so we're gonna see a lot of mountain again. Hopefully we can see some snow there. It's gonna be beautiful. But it's gonna be cold compared to LA here, so we have to be ready. Minden, Nevada, we don't have a tower there. It's called Uncontrol Airport, which means there's no tower people. So we have to communicate on the radio, pilot each other. So we have to let other people know where we are, what we are doing, which direction coming from to the airport. So we figured out, okay, so can we land or can we get in a pattern work or something like that. So we have to be really careful about other traffic. So it's a little tricky. Erin is another my co-pilot, and she's been flying since like forever, like age 17 and I think over 40 years or something. And she has CFI, CFWI, and 510, I think 525. ATP, so she's got a lot of experience. I asked her to wear a uniform like I do today, so we see. It could be fun. This is Erin, my co-pilot today. We're gonna have so much fun today. We go to Minden, Nevada.
Minden, okay.
Yes.
Good morning, ground. Status 44 Delta Tango, clearly AC, ready to taxi. We have Bravo.
Citation 44 Delta Tango Van Ness ground, runway 16 right, taxi via Bravo Charlie, hold short of runway 16 left.
Okay, clear left,
Clear right.
going right.
Alright, I'm just going to review the Walker 4 while you taxi. Initial climb heading 164 to 1303, then climb direct Perry. Then heading 210 or as assigned. And on vectors to cross La Viata above 6.
So that's gonna be a right turn. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Citation 4 Delta Tango, cross runway 16 left at Charlie, runway 16 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cross 16 left at Charlie and clear to take 16 right, 44 Delta Tango.
Alright, final clear.
Okay. I mean,
Take out traffic, runway
check.
16 left at Delta, clear for takeoff, 618 Delta.
rotate. Out.
Nice smooth day.
Yeah.
Did you see any air mets for turbulence at Minden?
Oh, no.
That's more of a summer thing anyway.
Yeah.
Do you know many women pilots?
I don't.
No? You didn't meet very many when you were at the flight school
No.
learning to fly?
Oh, my first instructor actually, who took me to the, what is it called? Discovery
Yeah.
flight?
The Discovery flight.
Yeah. She was 20-year-old
Uh-huh.
pilot. So that was the only person.
Charlie Foxtrot Alpha Sierra Delta.
Didn't you have
cross
some
15
friends who were
miles
also
west
starting
of
to
Palm
learn to
Desert,
fly at the same
Indian
time as you,
240.
some other women? Were you all learning at the same time?
Well, when I started, I told 3 other friends. And out of 3, 2 other women said, okay, we want to do it, right? And I did start doing it, and they did, but nobody made it but me.
But you?
Yeah.
Did any of them solo?
I think one woman went solo,
Good.
but that was it. Yeah.
Delta 837 climbing
It's a lot of work.
400.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of effort.
Commitment and effort,
Commitment, yes.
money,
Consistency.
time.
It's true. It's not for everybody. If you don't fall in love with it, it's really hard to finish.
Right.
And most people who don't fall in love with it don't finish.
Right.
I fell in love with learning, though. As soon as I got my private, I wanted my instrument, then I wanted my commercial, then I wanted my multi-engine, because I just loved the process.
Right.
It's fun. It was exciting. It was challenging. It challenged me like nothing had ever challenged me before.
Right. And it's beautiful. Like, look
I know.
Look around us.
I know. I was over Grand Canyon the other day, and it was so gorgeous.
Yes.
Snow on the peaks, and you know, you could see the brown contrast of the canyon walls. Oh, it's just so pretty.
This is a tricky approach.
2037, over.
It is.
Descend via the slammer for arrival.
Just
Landing to
because
the north.
there's
South
high
and
terrain and we have to
3007.
descend quickly.
Right.
3.
All right, so if you call the airport in sight, he'll clear you for the visual, and we can go down as low as we want.
Right.
Center Charlie 44 Delta Tango, field inside.
For 4 Delta Tango, roger.
If he didn't clear you for the visual, it's because he's got traffic usually. So we might just have to hang out here at 14,000 for a little bit. But if you want to descend immediately, we're a VMC and you can cancel IFR now.
Right.
Which I would actually recommend, otherwise we're going to get way too
For
high.
4 Delta Tango, clear to visual approach, Minden Airport.
Here we go.
Clear the visual, I'm in the airport, 44 Delta Tango.
Okay. So we
So
can go down.
We
So
can.
what is?
here comes your VNav. So it's now above us again instead of underneath us.
All right.
And
For 4
your
Delta Tango, change to advisory frequencies approved. Report your IFR cancellation in the air with me. Or if you can't reach me, it'll be on the ground on clearance delivery, which is 3325. And yeah, frequency change approved.
We're gonna cancel the IFR right now with you and frequency change approved for Delta Tango.
For 4 Delta Tango, thank you. IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR and have a good day.
Copy FR 44 Delta Tango. Minden traffic status of 44 Delta Tango, 15 south, straight in, 34, Minden traffic.
So the hard part now will be getting slowed down so you can start adding flaps and gear.
Right. Go down.
If you can't,
Double.
you may have to use your speed brakes.
Right. Looking good.
It is looking good. Nice and quiet out here.
Yeah.
Sounds like we have the whole airport to ourselves. So notice how you got your little glide path indicator here? You can go ahead and arm approach mode so that it will take us in on the visual. Otherwise it will stop descending at 5,086 and we don't want that.
Approach here.
Yeah.
Minden traffic status of 44 Delta Tango, 10 miles south, 34, straight in, Minden traffic.
So that's actually the missed approach. That's the Manseek. So from the missed approach point, we're 5.4. So we're probably about 6 mile
6
final.
mile.
Yeah. Glide path capture.
Right.
Minden traffic status of 44 Delta Tango, 34, short final, Minden traffic.
Oh, nobody's here.
I know.
So quiet.
They heard we were coming, so they all ran away.
That's right.
Wow, Akiko! That was great. That may be the best landing I've seen you make. That was beautiful.
Thank you.
Hold us up high coming in over the mountains, and then when they clear us for the approach really is not designed to be done straight in if you're in the clouds. if you're in the clouds, you have to come down, and then they step you down, and then when you actually break out of the clouds and see the airport, you're supposed to circle around and land the other way. But if it's clear like this, we can do whatever we want.
Really cool. This is a non-control airport. We have to do something different than usual, which is either you call the number, you actually talk over the telephone, or you take off the VFR and then you call the pre-office.